Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to fix simple scratches on the wood floor? So let me show you a real easy trick. All right guys, but make sure you like and subscribe our channel so we can keep coming up with more content like this. So as you can see, the floor is a little bit beat up. All right, it's a little, you know, traffic. There's some scratches there. I don't know if you can see them. Right there. So it's a little weather out. So what we're gonna do is just put just a very fine coat of Minwax stain, and that's all you need to do. So I'm gonna show you, you know, after it's all been like a lot of wear and tear on the floors. Sometimes we have just dust in the wood grain. This is the old original floors of the house that was built in the 1930s. So it's been refinished one time or a couple of times. But you just want to get some Minwax. All right, just a simple Minwax oil-based stain, and all you want to do is just smear it on top, and it kind of revives the wood a little bit better. You can see right there, you see the white showing through. So you just put a little bit of that here, just rub it into the wood grain, and then rub it off. And that looks very, very good there. It's just simple, very simple. You don't have to be spending a lot of money on redoing your floors, because this here will save you a lot of money. And you don't want to put it on too heavy. You can, you just want to make sure that you smear it off. Okay guys? So, as you can see all that, the lighting is not that great in here. But we're just gonna go here like this. And just wipe it off. That's it. Just let it dry for a little while, and then you can start some foot traffic through there. So it just depends. Also, make sure you wear some gloves whenever you're doing this. I'm not wearing no gloves because I really don't care for gloves that much, just because we've been doing this forever and our hands are used to it. So it's just one of those things that you don't have to unless you want. Looks wonderful. Looks beautiful. All right, guys. So we're gonna do the whole floor. That's just part of it. We did that a little bit. I'm just gonna do the rest of the floor. All right, guys. I'm gonna put it on fast camera. Well guys, as you can see, I just put a real quick pass of stain, just oil-based stain, and that's just going to penetrate into the wood itself, and it's going to give you that nice new look again. And it only took me about 30 minutes, guys. I mean, I reckon the floor is small here, but just so you can see, guys, that something so simple can make a big difference.